the bobbin, we're going to remove the free arm cover by simply sliding this to the left. Now we're going to open the bobbin cover, and now here you'll see that this is our bobbin case. By pulling the tab, we can pull the bobbin case out, and it does come with an empty bobbin. We're going to go ahead and take that out, and now we're going to place the bobbin in position. So to do that, what you're going to do is place the bobbin so that the thread is coming off the top and to your right. We're going to take the thread around. We're going to take it into our first tension guide here, and then our second tension guide here. Now we're ready to go ahead and reinsert the bobbin case into the bobbin housing. Now to do that, what we need to do is pull out this tab, slide the bobbin case on that pin, put the tab in place, and we're ready to go on to threading the machine.